All right, so today we're going to talk about 7 marketing apps and tools that we are excited about for 2021. So I'll go first. I've mentioned this one once already, but Copysmith.ai uses GPT-3. And if you struggle with creating captions for your social posts, for your blog headlines, this is a tool that can help you do that. I look at it as a time saver, and some of the headlines have actually been pretty good. So I'm excited to see what else comes from GPT-3, but this is a really good start.
One tool that I'm excited for that I've been using more and more frequently is SparkToro. It's an app created by Rand Fishkin. It ended up getting released out, I believe, last year. Still pretty new, but the reason I end up liking it is it really helps you discover what your audience reads, watch, what they listen to. It gives you the market research that you want. The main reason that I like it is anytime that you're thinking about expanding into a new area or growing your business in a different way, you can get really quick insights from your audience versus going out there doing something and then finding out it may or may not work.
Cool. I actually learned about this third tool in Clubhouse, ironic, but there's a tool called AlsoAsked.com. So ASKED.com. Have you heard of this, Neil?
I have not.
Oh, check it out. It basically allows you to discover the questions that people are asking. That's the tagline that it has there. So if you type in a keyword like content marketing, it's going to show you a bunch of variations that you can pull from, and that will give you ideas. I'm just running it right now. It's pulling from all these different data sources, right? So if you need ideas, use AlsoAsked.com.
And also check out Clubhouse, right? We're talking about apps and tools. Clubhouse is an easy way to get followers if you have the time and you have actually plenty of time to do. It's really easy to just get a ton of people following you. And then from there, you can leverage that to promote your products, your services, your business.
Cool. Exploding topics is another topic tool. This one's from our mutual friend Backlinko, Brian Dean. This will show you trending topics, and then you can choose to jump on them if you want. Usually if you jump on trending topics, you'll get the benefit of the algorithm if someone picks it up. That's that.
And the last one for me, this is like a app / tool / hardware piece. It's called Remarkable. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out. It isn't that cheap, but I love it. There's something called Remarkable 2 now, where it allows you to just create notes. So whenever you're doing things like trying to brainstorm ideas for your marketing, a lot of times on iPads and computers, you have distractions. Remarkable takes all that away. It's a modern version of a piece of paper and a pen to really get down your notes, checklists, and all that kind of stuff so you can get the most out of your day.
Cool. Number 7, last from my end, is Descript. So Descript.com. The beauty of Descript is it allows you, so I use a lot of stop words, and when you use a tool like Descript, it actually takes out all those words. It's really easy to edit videos, and it's also very easy to collaborate on audio or video. It's basically something that it's a huge time saver. We'll just put it that way. And it's not too expensive as well. So my team uses it quite a bit to edit both our audio files and our video files. So you see in a YouTube video with me, you won't see the uhs and the ums. You actually see it cut, and I just use it right there. So it's great. Anyway, that is it for today. Neil, did you want to say something?
Nope.
All right. marketingschool.io/pro if you want to learn more about our marketing community, and $1 to start for 14 days. And we will see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so Neil Patel and I are doing a education program around Marketing School Pro, and all you have to do is put in $1 for a 14-day trial, and what you will get is exclusive content. You get monthly Ask Me Anythings. You will get an ad-free version of the podcast. You'll get monthly show notes as well, and you'll get access to a marketing community of geniuses such as yourself. So if this is something you're looking for, I always talk about the power of peer groups, then all you have to do is click to learn more. All it is $1 for 14 days, and you will get massive value, or you lose $1. All right, so that's it for this. Hope to see you inside.